How does this?
I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Here's an honest review of the mat that I just ordered from TikTok. So this mat, I got it. It's supposed to be like a beach mat, an outdoor mat, super portable, and it comes in a small little bag. It's thinner than I thought it was gonna be, like way thinner. Not entirely sure what the material is, but it looks like it's, I don't know, reinforced with all these little square threadings inside of it. But I'm laying here with my crop top and my skin's getting really sweaty on it. But we are in Las Vegas, so I would imagine that you would need to put a towel on top of this mat if you take it to the beach. And it's kind of sprinkling out here. Looks to be waterproof so far, but I'm not sure. But that's my honest review. Like, it'll work.
It's raining.
And it's raining. I mean, it'll work if you need a mat to put down like on some grass so you don't get all itchy. But you might want to put like towels over the mat. Because I am sweating. My stomach is sweaty. I don't know. Do you like this blanket? He likes this blanket. It'll be good for like kids, like to play outside on a mat, right? Yeah, it's good for kids to play on. I don't know if I would like sunbathe on it though. Oh yeah, and it comes with 4 of these plastic stakes you drive into the ground to hold it in place. I mean, that helps. There you go.